Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. This is just bed head hair. I woke up not too long ago. I'm getting ready to start my day. And I just want to add some movement to my hair. I'm going to be using my Nano Chromic Silver. It's a curling iron, but I'm going to be using it as a wand. I love the inch of it because it gives me that volume that I want. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So guys, this is the finished look. It looks all nice and just has a little more bounce to it, a little more volume, and I kind of just keep it like this for a few days before I do anything else to it. I usually add some dry shampoo to just maintain the volume and also the texture of the hair. I forgot to mention I did use It's a Miracle 10 right after washing my hair while it was soaking wet. I sprayed this in, brushed it out, let it air dry. And then this is day 2 of clean hair, and now it's styled. So I'm ready to start my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.